Meatball stuffed shells. This was the new recipe to try for the week. Overall rating 8 out of 10 from the family. My mini meatball recipe is posted below in my mini meatball lasagna video. I used 2 pounds of meat, so there would be leftovers for subs. I used a half Italian sausage, a half ground beef. The only difference this time is I baked the meatballs in the oven instead. Then I added them to the sauce. While the shells and meatballs cook, I get my cheese shredded. I found a couple new cheeses to try. Let me know in the comments if you have had these and what you made with them. This time I used mostly mozzarella and topped them with both mozzarella and the tomato basil Monterey Jack. After the sauce and shells are ready, put a layer of sauce in an oven-safe pan. You can use ricotta or cottage cheese for a lasagna stuffed shell. We love that. Fill some of your shells with cheese. I just did mozzarella for the filling. Then put a meatball inside. Make as many stuffed shells as you like and try some on a sub roll. I topped all of them with more sauce and a full layer of mozzarella. Cover the shells with sauce or cheese well so they don't get hard. Then a little of the new tomato basil Monterey Jack cheese I found. You can use ground beef or even cooked chicken if you want. Then I put some fresh parsley and parmesan. Bake in a 350 oven for 20 minutes until cheese is melted. Join me as I try something new each week for my big family. Check out some of my other videos for other family favorites. Thanks for watching.